Traumatic brain injury is a damage to the head or brain caused by a sudden blow or jolt to the head, which disrupts the normal function of the brain. In the EU, TBIs annually result in 57,000 deaths and 1.5 million hospitalizations. The main causes are either motorcycle, bike, or car crashes, or sports like ice hockey, horseback riding, skiing, climbing, American football, or rugby. Worldwide, TBIs are a major cause of death and disability, especially in children and young adults. The Human Experience Analysis and Design Head Lab at Imperial College London studies injury biomechanics, with a focus on TBI and its prevention using wearable protection, such as motorcycle helmets.
At the Head Lab, we have designed a test rig that is capable of testing oblique impacts for different kinds of helmets. Unlike linear impact, oblique impact can create large rotational acceleration, which is the leading cause of brain injury during head impacts. Testing, we conduct simulations with our detailed human head finite element model. We can study how brain deforms under the linear and rotational acceleration.
Imperial College London's Head Lab's new testing rig and real-time high-fidelity brain simulations help us understand the effects of different impacts on the brain. We aim to reduce traumatic brain injuries, help companies develop protective helmets, and save 57,000 lives in the EU every year.